they're not all the same, and there's a lot of technical things that people overlook, or they just, you know,
Take a swing of Pop's motor.
they don't pay attention
This is what
to
happens
any of
when
that stuff.
you have outside sources work on your bike.
So you guys do that a lot? Is that
Well,
people
I've
work
worked
on
in
their
other.
own?
Well,
You
I've
don't go to
worked in
farms.
other. You know, I've been doing this 35 years, so I've worked at dealerships where they just brought their bike to the dealership. You know, we worked on it, and they really weren't. They didn't have many issues. But I just see a lot of, you know, guys put their own lights in, and their shit. You know, they put the, you know, whatever. It doesn't matter. And I'm not saying everyone, but there's quite a bit of that. And I've noticed, and it's not, you know, it's also the, you know, it's a working class area too.
Well, you
So
live in it,
guys
too.
can't afford.
A lot of times people do it in an attempt to save money,
Mm-hmm.
not realizing in the long run it will cost you more.
Well, yeah, you blow out
Pay
an
somebody to
ECM
undo
or.
it and redo it.
Here's another important thing that gets overlooked.